You know, Mohan can't hear a word against his mom. So even if you pray to God with both your feet up, then Mohan won't listen to you.
I don't want to listen to you. Go away from here.
Mohan, please listen to Radha. You should know what she has to say.
That's what I'm saying. I'll go. Just hear me out. It's very, very important.
You are impossible, Ketki. You're always looking to find faults with Damini. What do you think? Damini is the root cause of our problems? No. The root cause of our problems is that illiterate woman Radha.
I can even give it to you in writing no matter how many times you want. That you can never become my mom, Damini.
Damini, now I have understood why Aunt Kadambari has been putting up with you. You know that Mohan is her weakness. And you took advantage of that weakness, Damini. Damini, you can't build a relationship by false information. But you won't get it. And now that I have found out about this, I won't let you and Mohan get married at any cost. Mohan, please hear me out once. After that, I won't trouble you.
I don't want to hear anything.
Mohan, just hear me out.
Keep your hand away.
Mohan, please listen to me. It's important.
I said I don't want to listen.
Until you open the door and listen to me, I won't move.
Fine, then stay there. Why is Radha stressing me out? Should I speak to her once without informing Mom?
Radha, no, Radha. Listen, Radha, I'm really very sorry. Listen, please don't tell anyone about this. I did this all because I love Mohan a lot. I accept that my approach was wrong, but everything is fair in love, right, Radha? Listen, I promise you that I will surely change. I will become a very good girl. Believe me. Please, don't tell anyone.
Damini! This is where you are mistaken, Damini. You don't get married only to your fiancé. You make relations with the entire family. You tried to kill Gungun many times. Will you be able to be a good mom to her? You pressurized aunt into accepting you. Will you become a good daughter-in-law to her? You got uncle addicted to drinking. Will you be able to face him? You blamed Rahul for all the bad things done by Hriday. Will you become a good sister-in-law to him?
Wasn't Rahul the one who would come to meet Hriday?
Yes, you are right.
You just created a rift between the two brothers. Can you bring them closer? Will you be able to mend their relationships? Which relationship will you be able to maintain? Which one? Tell me. There's no relationship that you can maintain. There's not one. Karma phal yadacharit kalyani. Shubha vayadeva shubham. Tadev rabte bhadre. Karta karmach matmam. It means it doesn't matter how good or bad a person is. His deeds determine his future. And you have always troubled the members of this family. How will you keep them happy after marriage? Forget about others. You didn't even spare Mohan for your own selfish reasons. You planned a fatal attack on Mohan as well. At the hospital, you wanted to drug Mohan and marry him. disgusting, Damini.
Radha! Radha, I beg in front of you, please don't show this to anyone. Otherwise, everything will be ruined. I love Mohan a lot. I promise you that I will surely change. I will really change. I'll set everything right.
No, Damini.
Very good, Radha. Now even you understand Damini's tricks.
Don't try to act smart, Damini. Perhaps you forgot that I am not the one who used to believe everything you said. Now I know you very well. In a while, the entire family will know. When I show them this. After that, Mohan will decide what needs to be done. Now take off your wedding attire, okay? You won't get married today.
Radha!
Radha!
There is no need to hurry, Radha. You know, if I have to kill you to become Mohan's bride, then I don't hesitate at all.
How do I help Radha? I can't go near Damini because of that sacred thread. Ajit, I have a very bad feeling regarding this wedding. Radha wants to tell Mohan something, but Mom and Damini are not letting her say anything. I don't know what's the matter with Mom. Why is she supporting Damini? What has Damini told Mom that she's agreeing with her all the time?
Even I fail to understand that. What can we do, Ketki? Now there is no time left to do anything.
Now only Lord Krishna can do something in this matter. Only he can perform a miracle and get Mohan married to Radha instead of Damini.
You are right, Ketki. Lord Krishna, please show us a way. Please perform a miracle. Glory to you.
Glory to you.
Today, finally, I understood my mistake. I tried to get you killed many times. But now I understood that you are destined to die at my hands.
Radha?
No, 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 no. No, 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 Damini.
Radha?
Radha? It's Damini, not Radha. Mohan, you are getting married to Damini.
Just tell me, did you hear a gunshot, Shekhar?
Yes, I heard it. It was a cracker, not a gunshot. There's a wedding in the house. Ajit or Rahul must be bursting crackers.
No, this was the sound of a gunshot. I know it for sure. This.
Mohan, don't find silly ways to stop this wedding. I know Aunt won't be convinced. But if you really want to get married to Radha, you can confide in me, my friend.
What, man?
I know that Mohan won't say this. But the truth is that his happiness lies with Radha. Please do something so that Radha and Mohan get married.
Where is Radha? I can't find her. Radha, where are you?
Who are you?
Tulsi is always here to interrupt my work all the time. But today, no one can save Radha from me.
Radha? Damini, leave Radha! Leave her!
No, I won't open it. Otherwise, Damini and Aunt Kaveri will joke about me. And I'll get irritated. It is better to make another plan to call off the wedding until Radha is found. Idea.
Radha!
Damini, I haven't been brought up in a city like you. I have strength of a normal village girl. Since childhood, I have had pure ghee, milk and butter. I haven't had packaged food like you. So next time, if you think about raising your hand on me, I will render your hands useless. Understood?
What's the matter? You're worried that the auspicious time shouldn't pass by again? I really didn't know that you were so eager to marry Damini.
I have to talk Radha.
Mohan, again Radha. You are marrying Damini, not Radha. How many times do I remind you?
Do you want money to stop talking nonsense? I'm worried about Radha, not my wedding. Since she returned, she was trying to tell me something. She was standing outside my door, but I didn't listen to her as I was upset with her. I know I did wrong to her. She's trying hard to talk to me. Perhaps it was something important or urgent.
Okay, so what are you going to do?
What can I do now? There is time for the wedding. I thought I would go and see her.
Have you gone crazy or what? If Aunt sees you doing this, she won't just scold you this time. She'll beat us to a pulp. And I don't want to get beaten up by her.
You won't get beaten up. I will come back quickly. I will return before the auspicious time starts. You just handle it. I'm going.
Hey,
Shut up.
I saw it it in movies. In a wedding chain and vermilion are very, very important. And if I hide all these things, then how will Damini be able to marry Dad?
Today I'll expose you in front of everyone. You have been playing tricks for very long. Today your pretense will end.
Go, Radha. Go, Radha. Go. Tell everyone the truth.
Mohan.
Radha,
Mohan is coming here. Now I will tell Mohan Damini's truth.
Radha.
Radha!
Radha.
Mohan! Hey, Lord Krishna, what should I do? I can't do anything to Damini even if I want to.
Where has Radha gone? I can't find her anywhere.
Radha!
Radha? Gungun, do you know where Radha is? I have been looking for her, but I couldn't find her.
Mohan! Mohan!
Why? What are you going to do after you find Radha? You don't listen to her anyway.
Hey Gungun.
Enough. As you are not interested in talking to Radha, even I am not interested in talking to you. I won't talk to you for 100 years.
I am interested in talking to Radha. That's why I'm looking for her. But where is she?
Really?
Yes, but where is she?
Even I don't know that. I can't find her anywhere. Okay, let's do one thing. You go this way and I'll go that side. Whoever finds her first will give a signal.
Okay, fine.
Thank God Mohan didn't see that. But before he returns here, I must hide Radha. Where should I hide her? Although this Radha looks very thin, but she is very strong.
Damini? Damini? Damini, open the door.
Mohan?
Mohan!
Damini?
Where should I hide her? Where?
Kadambari, please forgive me. I told you hurtful things while I was inebriated. I am sorry for that. Forgive me, please. But I will still insist on one thing. Damini is not the right match for Mohan. Kadambari, my heart says that Mohan should marry Radha only.
Mohan!
This Tulsi never sits peacefully. She immediately opened the door.
Have you seen Radha anywhere?
Not at all. Radha, she didn't come here. She must be outside. She will be busy.
Mohan, Radha is here. Save her, Mohan. Please. Mohan, please save Radha. Otherwise, Damini is going to kill her today. Please, Mohan, save her.
Why are you acting this way? Is there any problem?
No, Mohan. There is no problem at all.
Mohan, she is lying to you.
But today our wedding is going to take place. It's normal for a bride to feel nervous at her wedding. Tulsi. Am I right, Mohan? I must stand next to Radha so that Tulsi can't play any more tricks.
Is something there?
No, Mohan. It's just you and me here. but forget about Radha. It is our day today.
Yes, I thought Radha wanted to tell me something, so I wanted to ask her about it.
Mohan,
If she's not here, I will look for her outside.
Yes, she must be outside.
Mohan, please don't go. The Damini is lying to you. Radha is right here.
Is anyone there? What's the matter? Are you okay?
Yes, Mohan. Everything is okay. You should get ready, Mohan. I also need to get ready. Look, the auspicious time is close now.
Mohan! What should I do? Mohan! Radha is right here.
How did the glass fall?
I don't know, Mohan. It must be the wind.
There is no wind blowing, right? Let's clean it, otherwise somebody could get hurt.
No, Mohan. I will clean it up. Don't worry.
How will you do it?
Mohan! Mohan, look, Radha is here. Mohan! Mohan!
Ouch! Well, Mohan, can you go outside?
What happened? Do you have a cramp in your back?
No, Mohan. Actually, my blouse's button fell off. That's why. Can you help me with that?
I will send Ketki here.
It is only a matter of a few hours, Mohan. Once we are married, I will call you for every kind of help I need.
I will go and look for Radha.
Mohan, don't leave! Mohan! She's going to kill Radha! Don't leave! Mohan!
Although his name is Mohan, he knows nothing about romance. Never mind. I will teach you everything after we get married.
Radha!
Radha, where are you?
Who is it now? Has Mohan come back here?
Yes, Mohan!
Who is it?
Who's it?
Mom, it's you? You just scared me. Why weren't you replying?
I'm eating a pawn!
Mom? I texted you long ago. Where have you been?
Hey, I was getting my pan ready. Less potato, more lime paste, grated beetle nuts. I love this pan. But why were you messaging me, dear? Damini, why have you scattered the clothes?
Mom, the clothes
You are
aren't...
too much, Damini. You increase my workload. Ah! Oh my! Have you killed this girl? You did a great job. On an auspicious day, you did an auspicious thing. Amazing.
No,
what
no,
will
Mom.
we do with her? We need to get rid of her body, otherwise it will start stinking. Let's do one thing. We should go and throw her into the river. No. Let's cremate her. We'll throw her into the jungle. Those hungry animals will eat her, and then they will eat her, be satisfied, and give us blessings. And your wedding will also happen.
Mom! She's just unconscious, not dead.
What? Oh my! You cannot do anything properly. Damini, you should have killed her. I will only kill her.
Mom! You know, I really wanted to kill her, Mom. But if anything happens to her, then we have been held responsible. We just need to get rid of her.
You have ruined the taste of my pan. But how?
Mom, didn't you buy a huge suitcase?
Which one?
The suitcase in which you plan to keep the valuables after stealing them from this house?
Yes!
Good. Then put this garbage in the suitcase and get it out of the house. I have already called the scrap dealer.
What should I do? What is Damini going to do to her? Radha! Radha, wake up!
Wow, my dear. That's great. I'll go and get the suitcase.
What happened? Are you okay? Now let me see, Tulsi. You won't be able to save Radha this time.
Oh Lord Krishna, where is Radha? After so many efforts, Dad has agreed to talk to her, but now she's gone missing. If she doesn't tell Dad about Damini, it will be very late. Radha, where are you?
Did you speak to Radha?
I don't know. She's a strange girl. She was following me around to talk to me. She had so much fuss that Mom shouted at her. She created a scene in the house and now she's vanished.
She must have hid from you on purpose. Perhaps she didn't want to talk to you.
Why?
It's also possible that she left because she couldn't bear to see you get married.
Why can't she see me get married? I mean, why will she have problem with my wedding?
Mohan, why do you need to be told everything? Look, I can see clearly how you feel about Radha. I don't know why you can't see that. And isn't it possible that Radha feels the same way about you?
What?
She might be in love with you.
Hey, Shekhar, don't be absurd.
Just stop it, Shekhar. Shekhar, I thought that you were Mohan's best friend. Why are you distracting him on his wedding day?
Aunt, I was just...
Just stop it, Shekhar. Why are you putting such thoughts in Mohan's mind on his wedding day? I think you don't value what I previously told you. Mohan, let's go. Mr. Priest is calling you.
There you go. Mohan's bride is ready now. Nobody can stop this wedding from happening.
I'll go and bring someone over here. No, I can't do that. What if Damini does something to Radha in my absence? Damini is unpredictable. I cannot leave Radha alone and go.
Father, please don't worry. People can be extreme at times.
You?
Mohan,
Mom,
whatever Mr. Trivedi told me today, he is really very sorry for that. He has apologized to me, Mohan.
Dad, stop! Dad, I couldn't find Radha anywhere. I looked everywhere, but Radha is nowhere to be found.
Gungun, she might be somewhere around. You will find her.
Don't come downstairs if you can't bear to see this wedding. Thank you, Radha, for honoring my request and staying away from the wedding.
Let's find her together.
Let's go, Dad. Let's go.
Mohan, Radha is not at home. I told her not to attend the wedding.
But why, Mom?
Mohan, did you forget what happened today at home? For the first time in my life, your dad said hurtful things to me. He called me a bad wife and a bad mother. And this happened only because of Radha.
No.
Do you want this to happen again? Therefore, I have forbidden her from attending the wedding.
No, Grandma. Radha won't go anywhere without telling me. Even if she has gone somewhere, she needs to be brought back. Come on, Dad, let's go. Please, Dad. Let's go. Dad. Let's go.
My dear Gungun, please listen to me. I also want Radha to come back, okay? But no relationship is more important than the mother.
But Radha,
Gungun, I also love Radha very much. And I want her to attend my wedding. But mother is more important than everything. Let's go, Mom.
Before I enter this house as a bride, I will get you out of here, Radha.
The auspicious time has begun. Please call the bride.
Sure.
I didn't even know the meaning of a mother. Before Radha came into my life, Radha taught me the meaning of a mother. For me, Radha is my mother. Dad, as you said that there is nothing more important than a mother, there is nothing more important than Radha to me. I'll find Radha and won't let this wedding take place.
Radha, whatever difficulties came up lately, we both faced them together. This wedding is also a big trial for me. I wish you were here to support me.
broken pieces of glass? In front of Damini's room? Did Damini do something wrong to Radha? Her room is the only one I haven't checked yet. That's Radha's stall. That means Radha is inside. I have to take Mohan's help to save Radha from Damini.
Gungun, even your game will end today. Get ready to go to your Radha.
I'll go and call someone. And then only I'll go to her room.
You will be able to call someone if you get to leave from here.
You love Tulsi so much, so don't marry Damini, please. I know you never loved Damini. I know that.
You say that you are marrying Damini for me, but I have told you many times that I don't like Damini. I can even give it to you in writing no matter how many times you want. That you can never become my mom, Damini.
Sometimes we face a situation in life where we don't understand whether our actions will be good or bad for our loved ones. Radha and Gungun, please forgive me. I don't know whether I am doing right or I am doing wrong. All I know is that I have to marry Damini.
Today, not just you and Radha. Even Lord Krishna cannot call off Mohan and my wedding. Today, you and Radha, I will lock both of you in a suitcase and throw you out of the house.
Damini, let go of Gungun. If you harm her, then I will not spare your life. Leave her.
Come with me.
Ouch! Gungun!
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 You are so fond of being with Radha, am I right? Now you and Radha can be together for forever.
Mohan, what happened, dear?
Mom, I want to talk to you.
That's it. I hope nobody sees me. Anyways, that brat and that brat's mother. Don't allow me to do anything evil in this house. I just want to complete this task.
She is not waking up. How will I get an outfit for Radha now?
Damini must have more outfits.
What do I do? How do I get an outfit for Radha?
Lord Krishna, you are the only one who knows that I convinced myself to get married with great difficulty. The one who stood by me when things were difficult isn't with me either. Am I doing the right thing?